came back home.
Okay. Now, what are you guys team? Are you guys Team Piper or Team Capri?
Team Piper.
Team Piper. Okay, so she gets the official Bop House endorsement then. Okay, all right. Well, that's good. I'm sure that'll make her happy. Now, there's a rumor going around that you guys are going to let Alice into the house. Is that true or?
Hell no.
That's a no. What's wrong with her?
We just don't support that behavior from other girls.
Okay, so it's a no-go on Alice.
Yeah.
She's
More girls over here.
Okay, that's a good one. What do you think about Alina and her new friend Wilito?
Wilito!
How are we feeling about Wilito?
I love Wilito. I love Wilito as a friend, though. He's amazing.